Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best, most powerful vacuum cleaner you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many most powerful vacuum cleaner and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each most powerful vacuum cleaner so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying the most powerful vacuum cleaner. First, look at the suction power, usually measured in watts or air watts, because it determines how effectively the vacuum removes dirt. Next, check the filtration system, especially if you have allergies. A HEPA filter can trap tiny dust particles and improve air quality. Also, consider the vacuum type, upright, canister, stick, or robotic, based on your cleaning needs and home layout. Pay attention to the size of the dustbin or bag, as a larger capacity means less frequent emptying. Don't forget noise level, weight, and ease of maneuvering, since comfort matters during long cleaning sessions. Lastly, review the attachments and accessories that can help clean different surfaces more efficiently. Choosing wisely ensures you get both power and convenience in one machine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.